Hey guys, Mike here with Atlas Rim Repair. Today I'm working on a Nissan Sentra, and this is the kind of wheel you never want to see if you fix rims for a living. I usually don't video these. It's going to take a long time to do this wheel, but what I'm going to do is just speed up the video through the grinding process. It's going to take a lot of grinding to get all this damage out. But I'll speed it up as fast as I can, and then we'll cut back to normal speed when I'm done grinding and get to the sanding part. But I'll get this set up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the major damage out first with a 36 grit grinding disc. Then I'll go back over it again to get it a little smoother with the 80 grit, and then finally go over it with the red conditioning disc before I start sanding. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I will get going on this in just a minute. Alright, so the grinding's done. That was about 20 minutes worth of grinding. I am going to try to speed that up in the video down to about 1 minute, hopefully, maybe even less. I'll do the same for the sanding, because the sanding is going to take quite a while too. What I'm going to do is go over it first with the 150 grit, then 320 grit, and then possibly 800 grit also. A wheel like this, if this was a retail customer, I would absolutely turn it down. But it's a dealership that I do work for, so it's not really an option to turn it down. But let me go ahead and get started with the sanding. 150 grit first. Alright, so the sanding's done now. That was another 15 minutes of sanding. I'll speed that up in the video. That'll probably be less than a minute also. Now on this one, I'm going to go straight to cleaning the wheel off, and then I'm going to wet scuff the whole wheel. There's still some scratching you can see in here, but there's only so much you can do. Alright, so I'm going to take my Adams Surface Prep. This is linked in the description below. I use this all the time. And I'm just going to wet the whole wheel down. I'll probably have to do it again. I'm just going to take an older scuff pad that's worn in and just clean up the whole wheel. I'll wipe down each section as I go. Probably okay. I'm just going to wet the wheel one more time and clean it a little better so that I'm hopefully not clear coating over too much dirt and debris. This would be a lot easier to do if this had been cleaned first. Alright, that's pretty good. We'll spray a little air on it before I shoot any clear coat. Make sure all the water's gone. That surface prep spray evaporates fairly quick, so want to make sure there's no puddles. But that's about all you can do on that. The only way to maybe get that perfect would be to send it to a machine shop to be remachined. But I think the damage on this side was far too deep for a machine shop to even do it. They would have had to machine it down below these grooves that are black, so it'd just be a flat surface all the way around. So what did that take? 41 minutes for one wheel.